My Disney Stars and Friends Level 2, Unit 6, Lessons 5A and 5B. I help, I help, I don't help, I don't help. Mom, mom, grandpa, grandpa, teacher, teacher, friend, friend. I help my mom. I help my mom. I help my grandpa. I help my grandpa. I help my teacher. I help my teacher. I help my friend. I help my friend. Clean, clean. Cook, cook. Wash, wash. Draw, draw. Throw, throw. Pick up, pick up. I help my teacher clean. I help my teacher clean. I help my grandpa cook. I help my grandpa cook. I help my mom wash. I help my mom wash. I help my friend draw. I help my friend draw. I help my mom throw the rubbish. I help my mom throw the rubbish. I help my grandpa pick up the toys. I help my grandpa pick up the toys. Great job! Goodbye!